Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please remember to subscribe and click that like button so that this video can be in the public, so that people can see and also be able to do the same stuff that we are doing and what we are watching and how we are approaching the market. If you guys remember, I shared this good analysis in the Telegram group, where I could see market build a level of liquidity on this zone. Then when market build a level of liquidity, check the way market was going up. Market was compressing when it was going up. Market was compressing. So by the way, guys, watch this video up to the end, because there is more stuff that I'm gonna put on this video. Then it's gonna be able to help you to understand this market properly. Then market is pushing up. When market is pushing up, market was compressing. If you can check, market was compressing. Then I could see also on the same level where the QML that was happening on this area here. If you can check, this was the high, this was the low, and the higher high. So market did what? Market get on this level here, fake out this zone, so that the QML can see like, okay, QML is failing. But at the same time, I pick up this zone here. I pick up this zone. You can check the dates. This one was 12 October when I took this picture. It's not like I'm doing a replay mode. This is 12 October. Then when I pick up this level here, you see this strong level, the space between those two candlesticks. So market get to that area, then market react. When market react to it, already it's a sign that this market is going to sell. I tell people, guys, sell these things because I know it's going to sell. Then then it starts selling like crazy. As you can check, I'll show you guys the picture how it was selling. Then the other one that I want to show you again was Nasdaq. Nasdaq also, you see here we've got a strong level of liquidity where market return, test and drop, build another level of liquidity inside this zone. So what happens is markets break this area, then push more up. Then I could see also this area here, that this level market is gonna sell. But what happened in the market? Market fake out this area here and target this space, the one that is here. So when they target this space here, this is when we had the reaction of selling. And also this one, I tell people to sell. If you're in the group, you see I tell people to sell these things, and up to now, 2 days, Nasdaq is continue selling. Nasdaq is selling because they have to come and mitigate this level or push again more down up until this level of liquidity, because this zone is still a fresh zone where markets never return and test. Then from here, and anytime when you see markets return to this area, then this is when we're gonna take another buy. But let's see how market is going to react from here to this level. And the last one that I'm gonna show you is Euro USD. Check the picture. I took the picture was in 11 October. Then market get on this area, react to this SR flip, because here there was a sort of like a support. Market create a support on this area. Do you see this area? How this area was very very strong. Market react to it on this side. Here market react again to the same zone. Then market return here to come and do what? To come and mitigate that area, then drop more, as you can check. So let me go to the chart so that I can show you. The first one is the Euro USD. Do you see this level? Market get on that area, react to this level, and drop more. See, market drop more, break this level where we are the compression, then drop down. So if you can check how market react to this block, the one that is here. So if you check properly, oh la la, let me just zoom again. Sorry guys. If you can check, market react to this block here. This is where market react. The market start again pushing up. I don't know what is happening, guys. I don't know why this thing is not working. Okay, by the way, market react to this block. You see market test this block here. Then you see market start pushing again to the upside. since yesterday when market was here, market start buying, market bought, then here market did what? Market fake out this zone here, take out this level of liquidity. If you check here, we had the liquidity and we had the demand zone. For people that are trading supplier and demand, they'll tell you this is a demand level. Market fake out this level of liquidity, mitigate this area and start pushing up. So let me show you that this other stuff so that you can see Nasdaq and USA 30. So this is Nasdaq. You see, Nasdaq get on this area, the first zone here, react to it, drop, then fake out again, go and target this zone here, the one that I marked there, then start dropping. So if we can check we are dropping, then where is our target? Our target, we are targeting this zone and this block, the one that we have here. This is the two level that markets, the far that Nasdaq can go. If there is no any news, then if Nasdaq just respect the technical analysis, this is where Nasdaq is gonna do it. Nasdaq is gonna push because we've got the level of liquidity that Nasdaq has to return and mitigate this level of liquidity so they can go up. And also, if you pay more attention, we have this candlestick that has been used to take out this level of liquidity. Then we see market is reacting to this zone and dropping. Let me show you USA 30 so you can see also USA 30, how USA 30 also play beautiful, and people that they took this trade, they are in big profit. They're in big profit. You see, USA 30 get on our zone there, react to it and drop. We are on the line of the compression. Then let's see how market is going to react to this level of compression. But also there is one rule about compression. If market break the compression, so market is gonna target this low point of compression. This is the low point of compression. This is the 90% rules of a compression. So market is gonna target this area here to come and get on this level. So let's see how this stuff they're going to play. But so far we've got the last up candlestick before the down move that market never use, market never mitigate. But so far we respect this level. So sharp guys, this is what I wanted to show you. This is just a quick review and the case study. Just try to see how the market is looking. Try to go and apply the same knowledge that I'm just sharing with you guys. I know it's not everyone is sharing the big secret about the market, but I'm doing that just to empower people and people to be able so to see what the market is giving us every single day. So sharp guys.